Here you go.
Okay. Okay, right, the car wash, and it has red and black brushes, and it has a top brush right there, that a long one, and it's a new car wash, and stuff is in the wash. The van is in the car wash. Yes, it is. And that's a long wash. I don't know why it's a long wash. But see I think the brush is stopped there. I gotta take my hand out of the way.
Please select your wash package now.
Okay, that car wash is done. Ooh, that sounds like the same driver with the other car wash. Okay, now it's ready. Okay. Mom, you can go in.
We can enter already?
Yeah.
Look, Aiden, that one has something new that other ones don't have.
What is it?
It has extra black things right there.
What extra black things?
This is called an Autech car wash system.
What extra black things?
Those curtain things right there.
Oh. Yes. And let it tell us to stop. It still tells us to go. And then
it's not telling me to stop. There we go.
Now it tells us to stop. And what is the car's going to do? Now the buses are spinning. No, they're back. And the bus spins back.
See those things? Octopus arms.
Yeah, they're octopus arms. That brush doesn't spin very well, but that one does. Mom, do you know that brush doesn't spin very well?
That brush is broken, it looks like.
And this one works. There's the noodle brush, the octopus arm brush.
Where's the tricolor soap?
I guess it already went. That's a tricolor soap. The new car wash is washing our car. See the noodle brush is right there. I mean the orange brush. And there's a brush. That brush is spinning well, but not the one in the back. And now they're still spinning. And there's some more soap here.
I don't think it gave us tricolor soap.
I think this is soap.
Oh, there's some.
Okay.
Ooh, I see pink soap.
Okay, it's still going.
This is a different car wash than we've ever gone to before.
And it's still washing. And let's see what it's doing now. It's just sitting there. And there's no scrub brushes. I don't know why, but the brush is still spinning.
Exit slowly.
Okay. Those are the brushes back there.